Hey everyone, it's Dr. Tarantino. So I wanted to teach you guys how to count a sleeping respiratory rate on your dogs at home. Now this is particularly important for older dogs that have heart murmurs or heart disease, as this can actually be life-saving. So let me give you guys a few tips. And we'll use Orwell, my 13-year-old Chinese crested, as our model today, and I do this on him every day at home. The first step is to make sure that your dog is completely asleep, not dreaming, not kicking, completely asleep. Then stand 4 to 6 feet away. Do not go up and touch your dog. You're likely just going to wake them up. Watch the main point, the highest point of their chest, going up and down. That is what you want to count in order to count their breathing rate. So 1 up and down is 1 breath. Up and down again is a 2nd breath. Normal dogs will have a sleeping respiratory rate of less than 25 to 30. Try to establish a baseline and do this every day if you have a dog with a heart murmur. If it gets up to that point, call your vet.